As you know, startup and tech communities are really growing here in Cebu. One of the challenges right now are really funding. My question is, what kind of programs startups take advantage from the DOST?
It depends on the industry sector. One of the funding that we provide would be reference to the Philippine Startup Act. So we provide startup grant fund. As long as the startup company has improvement to make on its startup that can be approached using research and development, then we can provide the startup grant, its grant, so that the product can be improved and the likelihood of having success will be high. There are startup grant funds that we provide for IT startups or AI startups, anything on the environment, any emerging technology like AI. We also have another startup fund for health, another startup fund for agriculture under the Department of Science and Technology, 3 research and development councils, which are essentially policymaking and also providing financial assistance. The first is the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technologies, Research and Development Council. So if you're IT, focus on simply IT, improving services or industry, even use of AI for sari-sari stores, for example, then we provide funding. But it's competitive, so it's not unlimited. So you have to compete every year. The Philippine Council for Health Research and Development would focus on health-related startups. And the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Research and Development, would focus on agriculture, aquaculture, natural resources, startups. So we have those. Now, if you're an existing company and you have been doing things like for 3 years, of course, everything should be registered, paying taxes. There are funding assistance on the regional and provincial level where we provide assistance to the enterprises. We call it Small Enterprise Technology Upgrading Program or setup. So it all depends on the proposal, but it's very rigorous. But we can provide funding for up to 5 million pesos. For the startup grant fund, usually it's around 3 million or less. Yes. So all of those are possible. Now, recently we launched a program at the Department of Science and Technology. It's called Program Propel. Program Propel's vision is to accelerate innovation in the Philippines and propel innovation from the Philippines. The startups can be assisted by linking the startups that we have assisted for potential investors and capitalists by providing 12 platforms that would assist them to establish companies or further improve their production. The DOST program Propel would integrate efforts starting with ideas from students or people that can be discussed with our DOST provincial staff or even business people that go to our innovation hubs. If the idea can still be improved through research, then they can be linked with research organizations from universities or within DOST. If it's already existing business and you want to start, there's technology business innovation hubs in universities, right? If it's existing, like 3 years, we actually wanted to reduce it to 2 years, but for now it's 3 years, then it can be provided assistance to do setup. Now, the Technology Application and Promotion Institute would have another funding scheme for startups. But the DOT program Propel will now be the overall program with all these different initiatives that will now facilitate, if you want to increase your investments in your company, to link your company with another potential investor.
Thank you so much for that, sir. And that you mentioned about the good products that has been made by our companies or even startups. Now that you mentioned that, our name is Techstar TV and we're divided into different segments. So we do have this segment called Unsay Mo Startup. So Unsay Mo Startup
What is your startup?
What is your startup? So we are actually looking for product-ready startups to showcase your innovation, your product to the public, because as what I can see from the startups themselves, or even me, I'm guilty of that, is that they do have this product, however, they don't know how to market their product, even though your product is very using emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, or any technologies. However, no one knows how to use your product, and yeah, that's one of the problems. So, on Primo Startup, we are in the media and creative part, so we want to advertise that to the public.
Showcase the
So,
products.
my next question is there any way for us, we are labeled media blog for tech and startups, so is there any way for us to collaborate with the DOST so that we can bring this amazing innovation from our incubator, or those has been part of the DOST programs that has been funded up, to showcase their product to the public?
Okay, since you're based in the region, I would advise that you talk to our regional office and discuss your plan and the requirements needed. I cannot say directly if we will be able to assist you, but at least start with the discussion. Because essentially, the DOST regional operations and provincial operations can also support startups, but we need to make sure that the business models and potential of having it successful will be high before we can actually say, we'll provide you grant. So it has to be discussed.
It has to be.
You have to propose, or you have to at least get some feedback. But before we start any startups, before we fund it, we need to see the proposal. So for example, I know that we have funded initial startups on showcasing Filipino documentaries or films. They were distributing movies, like now we have Netflix, right?
Yes.
But there's a company that is providing these different films, Filipino films, and they're doing well.
There's actually Bisaya Flix.
So there are no, there's a different one.
Different one.
So we have, it's based in Luzon. Startups will have to make a proposal, but I would advise talk to our staff first before writing the proposal.
Alright. So I think that's it from us, sir. And thank you so much. And it's really a privilege to, interview the secretary.
So many of the startups are IT, but there are many other startups that not non-IT.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have to make sure that everyone can be taken care of.
Yes, that's actually our mission right now, is to let everyone know about startup. This is not just about technology. It's about creating solutions to problems, maybe using technology to solve those problems.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Maybe have a quick pictorial siguro.
Pictorial.
Sige, pictorial.